Hello and welcome. You are new to red light therapy and you are thinking about getting your first equipment and you are not sure if it's best to get a therapy panel like this, perhaps light bulb, or maybe a small handheld device like this one. So which one would be best for you to start red light therapy? Let's discuss this in this video. And everything depends on your therapeutic needs and therapeutic goals. If you have a small area that you want to treat with light, then small therapy panel like this, it's probably the best option because it's the most effective use of electricity. You just shine on the small area, like for instance on your elbow, or perhaps in other part of your body, perhaps your knee. And you also can take it with you wherever you go, so you can do light therapy even during your lunch break at work. You can actually do it invisibly, because if you change light for near infrared, nobody actually see that I'm doing light therapy right now, so it's not going to disturb anybody else around. And of course you can put it in a small handbag and take with you on your trips, especially when you travel a lot, like for instance a person who is maybe a pilot or an air crew. They travel a lot and they may have achy muscles and joints, so this kind of light can be a lifesaver and help them feel better and reduce the muscle pain, and they can use it everywhere they go. Light bulb is very good for shining on the larger areas. So for instance, if you have achy shoulders or some achy muscles around your spine, you can place a light bulb in a different position and do light therapy very comfortably lying down, and you don't need to even hold it because it's just a very good, you can wrap it around your body. So this is very good equipment if you want to do light therapy lying down in bed, or maybe like while you are watching television, or even having a nap after lunch. That's a good choice. And also it's easy to take with you, so if you can fit it in your travel bag, you can actually take it with you even on your holidays or business trips, because you can easily fold it and put in a small suitcase or like a travel bag. With the light bulb you've got a power pack and the cable, so this is all you need to take with you to travel with a light bulb. And you can charge it of course at home, or you can charge it using USB charger from your mobile phone, which you always take with you anyway. And last but not least, this is the tabletop therapy panel. And it's great for doing light therapy for face, for instance, like beauty anti-aging. You set it up on your beauty desk, sit in front of it for 10 minutes and do light therapy for face and shoulders. It's very versatile, so actually you can set it up on bed as well. You can do light therapy for your knees and other areas. But it's not as easy to use like a light bulb, but of course it's got advantage that it actually shines quite a lot more light than light bulb. That's why you can do sessions with this light for about 10 minutes and that should be enough, while light bulb requires probably half an hour session to get the same amount of light in your muscle. And this one of course allows you to hang it on the door or on the wall, and in the future, if you want to, you can even create a larger setups containing several panels together to do light therapy on all of your body. So this one is probably a good investment in the future, but having a light bulb like this or a small panel also is very useful. So after watching this video, you are still not sure which therapy device is best for you and for your family. Choose that one which you feel like you would like to start with, and see how it goes. Mito offers you 2 months trial period, so for 60 days you can test the equipment you buy, check how it works for you, how it works for other members of your family, and if you are happy, you keep the equipment and use it for many years of enjoyable red light therapy at home. But if it doesn't work for you, because nothing works for everyone, then you can return the equipment and get something different which better suits your therapeutic needs. For more information about these therapy devices I just showed you in this video, check the link in the video description below, and if you would like to purchase any of them, you can use my name as a coupon code to get it at a discount. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumb up, I really appreciate it. Share with your friends who would also benefit from watching it. Check out my website for more information about lights I use and recommend, and more discount codes. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.